Okay, it's really embarrassing, but it's pretty funny if he does it. Okay, wait.
He just licked it.
He's such a squirmer. I hear him.
Well, we're trading him to his howling.
He's gonna beat up his mom.
Wait, no, Bella.
Bella!
Okay, you're not supposed to escape. You're trapped. Okay, let's put him down. Let's see if they'll
You see the puppies? Say uh-oh.
Calming them down.
You're calming him
Love
down.
the puppies.
Odie.
Otis!
This worked.
He did, huh?
Otis, you were so scared in the car, weren't you?
You what?
You have to bite me every time.
He was so scared in the car.
He's not used to car rides. So he was crying.
We like.
No. This is what your mommy wants to film. Because you know why? It's Kim's birthday today. And she wants to see puppies.
She just wants to see.
Ben, move.
Probably she wants to see him more
Ben,
than
move.
us. Could you hold my hand?
Can I please see that? You see your puppies.
Ben, don't touch him.
Ben, could you hold my hand? Count my fingers. How many fingers do you see? Huh?
Get him, Bella.
Okay. Now I'll start with this one. I'll start. How about this hand? How many toes do you have? You have to get a look into Emma real quick.
Emma, you gonna beat him up? Hey, Ben, scoot back so Kimmy can see the puppies. Because Kimmy wants to see these
Say happy
puppies.
birthday, Kimmy.
It's her birthday.
Happy birthday to Kimmy. Happy birthday, dear Kimmy.
They hurt each other.
Happy birthday to you.
Emma.
Hi, darling.
Do you know what song Emma? Do you know what Emma likes?
Emma.
Emma likes.
Ben keeps getting Emma.
Emma kind of likes this.
Oh, that is Napoleon, isn't it?
Ben, don't walk in front of the camera.
Napoleon.